In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Amazon. Whether you're launching a small business or simply exploring new avenues for extra income, embarking on your journey to sell on Amazon is an exciting venture. It's a platform brimming with opportunities, and today we'll guide you through the initial steps to get you started with ease. First and foremost, your journey begins on the Amazon Seller Central website. Open your web browser and navigate to https://sell.amazon.com. When you arrive, you'll notice an inviting Sign Up button located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you into the setup process. It's a user-friendly sequence of prompts designed to collect the information needed to establish your seller account. Before you dive into the sign-up steps, let me emphasize the significance of having a few key items prepared. As a beginner looking to sell on Amazon, you need to have some essential documents and information readily accessible. Start with your mobile phone number. This is important because Amazon will use it to verify your identity and maintain the security of your account. Make sure it's a number that you have regular access to. Next, you will need a valid government-issued ID. This could be a passport, a driver's license, or an identity card. This step is crucial for confirming your identity, ensuring that Amazon's seller community is safe and secure. Another important component is a chargeable credit or debit card. Why is this necessary, you might wonder? Amazon requires this to verify your payment method for sales and fees. It's vital that your card is active and can be used for transactions related to your new seller account. As you move through the setup prompts, Amazon will guide you through entering this information step by step. It's important to take your time and ensure all details are typed correctly. This will help prevent any issues later on when you're managing your account or processing transactions. Once you've completed these steps, you're almost there. Amazon will then walk you through some additional prompts related to your business information, such as your business name and address if you're selling as a business entity. If you're starting as an individual seller, these prompts might be simpler, but remain just as important. In summary, to start selling on Amazon, ensure you have your mobile phone number, a valid government ID, and a chargeable credit or debit card ready. Follow these initial steps carefully and you'll be well on your way to launching your seller account. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to begin your journey on Amazon. With these tools and information, you're set to explore this vast marketplace. I wish you the best of luck with your new business venture and happy selling.